I thought that mapping my eyebrows out would have helped a lot, and it kind of did on this eyebrow, but this one was a joke. I don't know. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tiwa Jackie P. I film videos every week. I film beauty, DIYs, reviews, food. If you like videos like that, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe. Also, today it is very windy outside, so if you hear the wind blowing, there's nothing I can do to control it. It sounds like a train is rushing by my window like every 5 minutes. It also sounds like it's gonna rip the roof off. I don't know what is happening outside, but I'm not down for it. I'm not into it. So today I'm just having a lazy day. I had a really early work day this morning and I'm not feeling too well, but I wanted to try this product out for you guys because I have been wanting to try this out for a while. I'm just really afraid of what it's gonna do to my face. So I felt like I would film this for you guys because it could either be a funny video or a very upsetting video, or it could just work. It could be a good product. So I thought I would test out for you guys today the Almay Paint On Brows, or Brows On and On. It's a peel off brow. I'm really terrified to try this on. Like, I'm getting a little scared. So if you want to see how these eyebrows perform, we will just get on into the video. I'm just gonna pin back these bangs. So I do have eyebrow pencil on, and I think it's supposed to be on clean brows. It doesn't say it has to be on clean eyebrows, so I'm gonna leave my eyebrow pencil on only because I want to be able to see what shape I'm gonna do. I got the color 020 brown, and you apply a thick coat, you let it dry 30 minutes, and then you peel it away in the direction of hair growth. So you don't want to go this way like you're waxing stuff off, because your eyebrow hairs are gonna come off, and that's not good. It doesn't say how long the eyebrows are supposed to last though. That's the thing. So you just open it up. Oh my god, it's gross. It's like stringy. Is there hair already in this? No way. I don't even know, but I'm gonna put it on. Pray for me, I'm so scared. Okay. Okay, this is not easy to apply. Okay, why? This is not easy to apply in the slightest. I'm not gonna dip it back in to the bottle because I want to make it thicker here. Oh my god, I look ridiculous. And then thin it out towards the front so it doesn't look like crazy eyebrows. And I say that and I'm like peeling it off. I'm gonna get some more product on here for the other eyebrow. It just looks so gross. It's like nasty. Okay, I feel like I'm going a little cray with this side. Okay, yeah, this side is definitely gonna end up thicker. Yeah, these are gonna be like distant cousin eyebrows. I look like a demon. And I leave this on for 30 minutes and then I will peel them off. So I'm going to wait 30 minutes and then I'll come back and I'll peel them off on camera. We'll see if we can get some satisfying peel footage for you guys. And yes, I'm afraid. I am back and it's time to peel these eyebrows off. They look crazy. I look like that meme of that dog where they drew like eyebrows on it. I look like that. So we'll see how this works, if I can peel it off or not. I don't even know how to go like about this. It's not coming off, you guys. Oh my god, I can't get it off. It says if it doesn't work, try a spoolie. Yo. It's not coming off my eyebrows, like, at all. Okay, there, we got some peelage. Hello? It's like not coming off. Okay, spoolie it off your eyebrows. I like legit can't tell if it did anything because I already had the eyebrow pencil on, but I think it did do something. This eyebrow. Man. Okay, there, I got some. Okay, this side hurts a little bit. That side didn't hurt at all. And maybe I shouldn't be doing this on my period. I swear my eyebrow looks green. No joke. This eyebrow legit is green. My eyebrow is green. Oh my gosh. No. I'm gonna have to zoom you guys in. Whatever was on this eyebrow, maybe you shouldn't have eyebrow pencil on here. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. So can you guys like see like right here, does it look green or am I crazy? Like, I don't even think you guys can see, but it looks green right here. I'm gonna have to look up reviews on that if that happens to anybody else, and I feel like it's really hard to show on camera. But this eyebrow came out like more of a warm brown color, as where this one, for some weird reason, I don't know, it just looks green right here. All in all, I mean, if it gave me results on this eyebrow, I for sure would use it again, because if I woke up and my eyebrows just looked like this, I'd be okay to like fill them in and everything. But yo, if it's gonna turn my eyebrows green, I'm not using it. I just don't understand what happened right here. Okay, so final thoughts on this product. I think it is a really good idea, especially for people who have sparse brows and don't really want to spend time on their brows. But on the flip side, I don't know why it turned this part of my eyebrow green. And if you guys have used this, can you please let me know if this has happened to you, or if you have a friend that this has happened to, because I'm so confused. And I think that's gonna be something that's gonna stop me from using this again. It could be my fault because I left eyebrow pencil on it to kind of map out my eyebrows, or because I had foundation on still. I don't know. It doesn't say on the box to clean your brows. My final conclusion is, if you want to try this, it does work. It does dye your skin. I don't know if it's gonna work after I wash my face tonight. I do have an oil-based cleanser, and I think those kind of rub off these kind of like eyebrow dye situations. But if it stays on, that would be kind of cool. But use at your own risk. Maybe use it for St. Patrick's Day if you want green eyebrows. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a like. And if you like me, don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye. And so I don't get any on my hair. I don't want any of this. Okay, well, that's not working. No.